my main investing strategy was basically just putting my money in a robo-advisor. Hi everyone, I'm Cheng. I'm the newest member of Market Talk. I'll be joining Ali and Darren in this investing journey. Before joining VIA, my main investing strategy was basically just putting my money in a robo-advisor. So basically how robo-advisors work is that once you put your money inside, they will ask you to select from 3 different choices based on your risk appetite. The 3 choices are conservative, balanced and aggressive. So basically I selected the conservative portfolio as I did not know much about investing during that point in time. So for conservative portfolio, mostly invest in like bonds, much less risky assets, much more stable assets. Unfortunately, after 1 year, my portfolio is still down.
To hit $4 or $5, that's when I'm gonna make a big money. And what is happening to me, man? I lose half of my money.
After attending VIA, the first stock which I bought was Tyson Food, the second largest producer of protein in the world. So it's like quite a easy business to understand for me. He has really good fundamentals, so that's the reason why I bought Tyson Food.
Is it really a good company to invest during the recession?
So another stock which I bought was Foot Locker. So Foot Locker is basically like the largest retailer of sneakers in the world. Also a very simple business for me to understand. Its fundamentals also very good. So before that, when I was like, my main investing strategy was putting my money in robo-advisors. I was actually very hesitant to put my money in the robo-advisors because like the robo-advisors don't tell you like what they actually invest in. There's this degree of uncertainty because like, you don't know what your money is being put into. But after attending the VIA program, I'm now much more confident in investing as I know how to like evaluate what is a good company and what is a bad company. It gives me more confidence of putting my money in the stocks of like good companies. For all students or young people out there, I urge you to start investing right now because ultimately the power of compounding will help you to generate massive returns on your investment. Just start small. Maybe just put $100 into like an index fund.
And that is to consistently buy an S&P 500 low-cost index fund. Keep buying it through thick and thin, and especially through thin.
It's important to invest in the knowledge to learn about investing first before you truly step into the actual investing process. Okay, so if you guys found this to be helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.